Hey y'all, come with me to the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so I'm here at my local Dollar Tree. So let's just go in. You can't hear me here because it's really muffled and I have music playing, so I had to mute my music. So let's just go in and get started. Okay, so I typically like to have white containers. I don't have that many here in the size that I want, so let's just keep looking. Ooh, so I like these. These are canvas. They're a little bit flimsy on the bottom. So I don't know, they're really nice though. I love that they have so many different colors. I definitely could figure out some things to do with this. I probably will have to sure up the bottom. So um, yeah, I like these right here. I don't know. I may get these or not, but if I do, kind of looking at these, they are a little flimsy. So we'll have to probably work on getting it to feel a little bit more secure. So ooh, now look at these. Okay, I think, look at these guys. These are those self-adhesive wall tiles. I didn't know that they carried this at my Dollar Tree. And they have so many different colors. I like this one here. That's nice. Hmm. I feel like I can do something with these. I don't know. Do you guys ever do this when you get into the store? Like you definitely don't need something and you see it, and then you're like, what can I make? So let's see. Do you guys do this too? I kind of just lay everything down on the ground and try to get an ideal of what I want. And luckily today there was not very many people in my Dollar Tree, so it was not an issue. But yeah, I definitely have an ideal in mind. So yeah, let's see. These are kind of cool. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely get these. Let me gather these up and move on. Look at they have poster board. I don't need any poster board, but this foam board, maybe. Ooh, now look at here, just yarn. Now my Dollar Tree is starting to get a little bit more fancy. They've always had a little bit of yarn here, but this just yarn is, what is this here? Maker's Twine. That's neat, and it's from Premier Yarn, so that's pretty good. I can't tell the weight, but look how many color options that you have. They're nice spring colors, and that burgundy one is really nice, probably a good fall color. This pink is pretty. I like the way it shows up. It doesn't have very much detail here on the label, but it looks kind of thin. And then look at here, guys. They've got even more. This is a 4-weight yarn here from Premier. So these would be cute for making like little holiday projects, like if you wanted to make wreaths or pumpkins or anything like that. That's pretty cool. They have this chunky yarn down here, so you probably need a few of these to make a hat, but that's really nice. Maybe a nice pair of socks. Ooh, they have a red one down there. That's nice. I like that. There's not that much red. Oh my goodness. Oh, and they even got specialty yarn, the loopity stuff. That's neat. Maybe I'll pick up a few of these. They're only $1. And if I do, then I can basically do a project from the Dollar Tree. This is pretty though. This is from Red Heart, a boutique yarn. That's probably perfect for a scarf. I don't really mess with these loopy yarns that much, but this is really neat. Okay guys, I think I got enough, so let's go ahead and get to the checkout. Got my gum. Can't not get gum from the Dollar Tree. And I think I want a candy bar. Yeah, I'll get this Musketeer bar. Yum. All right, guys, let's go. this is fun. I never brought you guys along with me shopping, so this is my little quick, I guess, Dollar Tree experience. I'll make some things with it. I'll make sure I bring you along with what I create. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.